Panasonic NC-EG2200 electric thermopot. Panasonic is one of the leading brands in the world when it comes to manufacturing of home appliances. Their products are known for their beautiful design and durability. With this device, you get just that. Made from aluminum and white in color, this dispenser can hold 4 liters of water. Its easy to read water gauge lets you know when water levels are low so you can simply refill. Other great features, including in this electric thermos pot, has including a one-touch safety button which locks and unlocks the water dispenser. This ensures hot water is not dispensed accidentally, causing burns. The Panasonic NC-EG2200 electric thermopot allows you to keep your heated water warm at 4 temperatures: 208, 190, 180, or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures you can enjoy your tea, coffee, or any other hot beverages in seconds. We definitely recommend that you put your hot water heater for use at home, offices, or social events with this Panasonic hot water dispenser.